Okay guys, welcome back to one of my videos, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to fix y'all ps4 controller. Like, mine's showing white, but in person it'll be showing like a white bluish. Yeah, but right now you see mine out, it won't let me move. It's nothing, like my accounts won't pop up. So the only thing you have to do is just unplug your game. Hold up guys, I might need a little light. Just unplug your game and plug it back in. No. See, it's a little dirty, but it's alright. The controllers, they turned off. Now, we just gotta wait for the results. Yeah, it's loading. I'm going to post more about things about ps4 when it won't work. It's loading kind of fast. Should be turning on. Just give about 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Abracadabra. Now, see, it's cutting on. Now you see, get your controller. It might be the same color, but watch this. Everything works now. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.